Hey everyone, welcome to the party. I wanted to show you a simple way to do your windows for this spring cleaning season that I believe will make your job a whole lot easier, because the goal here is to clean less and play more. I am a mama of 4 boys and 1 brand new puppy dog. I really do not have time to clean. So I have found that teaching our boys to Norwex their bathrooms and helping around after meals, how to Norwex, how to clean, keep the toxins down so that they are not being hurt by, what we're using, but giving them tools to do it themselves and teaching them by far has been the best idea ever. Okay, so that's where Norwex comes into play, and the most important one is the EnviroCloth and the sweet window cloth that I'm going to show you. You're going to do your windows with this. Oh my goodness, it keeps falling. You're going to do your windows with these 2 cloths. So this is the EnviroCloth. As you do your windows, you can just clean. You're going to use them, wet. You're going to use it wet, and then as they get soiled, you have 8 sides, right? As they get soiled, you can just rinse it off with warm water and then keep going and go to the next window. And then you're going to polish it with the window cloth, which will remain dry, but then over time it gets wet because you're, drying off the window. So do as many as you can. Then you can just hang it up to dry. With the EnviroCloth, what you're going to do after you've used it is you're going to rinse it off under warm water because it swells up the fibers and it helps release everything that is on it. And you par wash, so you press, you agitate, and you rinse under the warm water, and then you wring it out really well, and then you're going to use the tag to dry. So that would be your new way to do the windows. I have found very helpful. The other thing that you can use that we now have is the handheld system. All right, these are for maybe where you can just have it on a handle type system. This comes off, so it will attach to the mop if you have some, longer stretch windows like outside. So this is Velcro, and what it is you would then take the wet pad that mops to the mini system, or you can use the large one if you have bigger windows, but I have found the little one works just as well. And then you're gonna take it off, and then you're gonna polish it with your brand new window cloth, but it's on a pad system. All right, so really you can use it with the handheld system or the mop. Works both ways. But what it is here is that the EnviroCloth is your heavy duty purpose cleaner. That's the one that's going to be cleaning. It's your window cleaner, right? But a lot of other things that are clean. But then the window cloth, it's kind of like your paper towel. So you can already reduce the amount of paper towels that you would be using just by going and switching over to the Norwex idea, where it's just water, no chemicals. Make your life a lot simple, easier. All right, that's day 1.